Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get good quality on your After Effects edits. Before we get into any of the tips I have for you guys, I would like to apologize for not posting for the past 3 weeks and almost a month, really. I just got a new job and I've gotten really busy with school, but that being said, I think I'm just going to try to post at least once a month, maybe. If I get a lot of motivation, then I'll post maybe a couple times a month, but I'm gonna try to post once a month because I feel like it'll work out best for me and my schedule, and it'll also give me more time to work on good quality videos. Anyway, enough of me yapping, let's get into it. So my first tip in making your quality better is to download scenepacks in 4K or 1080p, I think HD, I think that's what it's called. That's normally the highest render quality, and if you download your scenepack or clips in that quality, then most likely it'll last through After Effects, because sometimes when you're editing in After Effects, it kind of like destroys your quality or diminishes the quality of your clips. So if you start off with a good quality, then it should hold up once it's in After Effects. If you're looking for scenepacks on YouTube, you could change the quality in the video itself. So if you just go to the settings and then just pick the highest quality you can, that'll change the quality of the video, and then you can get your scenepacks. So the next thing I use to make the quality better is the sharpen tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the sharpen tool on After Effects. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click and then go to new adjustment layer. Now this is going to create a layer above it. You could still see the little edit I have right here. I don't have any music because I don't feel like it. So your edit is going to be down here, and then the adjustment layer is going to be above it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Effects and Presets, search up Sharpen. You drag that over to the adjustment layer. Make sure you don't put it on the clip. Make sure you put it on the adjustment layer. And then what you're going to do from there is you're going to see Sharpen amount right here. It's really easy. All you have to do is just put it to like 80 or 90 or however much you want. Sometimes one of them can be too much. So I'm just going to put it to 80. And then you can see that kind of heightened the quality. You can see how the sharpen, not so much on this one, but on the first two, it did enhance the quality a little bit. And I think a little goes a long way, in my opinion. So I think it definitely helps. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys my render settings. The first thing you're going to do is go up to composition and then click pre-render. Now you're going to want to make sure that best settings is selected here. So then you're going to go to output module and then click custom QuickTime or whatever it says right there. And you're going to go to format options, and then under video codec, change it to Apple ProRes 4444. Click OK, and then go to audio output auto, change that to on, and then click OK. And now it's going to ask you where you want to output it to, but I normally just leave it and then find it later, and then you're going to click render. Okay, so now you're going to make your way over to Media Encoder for the second part of the rendering process. So once you have your video over into the queue on Media Encoder, what you're going to do is you're going to go to high quality 1080 HP. You're going to click that. You're going to change this to Venmo 2160p 4K Ultra HD. And then you're going to click match source, render at maximum depth, use maximum render quality. Under performance, you're going to change it to software encoding. Uncheck these boxes. Profile is going to be high, and the level is going to be 5.2. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to have this bitrate settings option here. So under bitrate encoding, you're going to change it to 2-pass, and then the target is going to be 80, and the maximum is going to be 100. And then all you have to do is click OK, and then press play, and your video is going to render. Those are all my tips for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are looking for any other tutorials, or you want me to make any other kind of tutorials or videos, make sure to leave a comment down in the description, and I will work on that. I also just wanted to say thank you. I'm so happy with this account and how it's growing. I've always wanted to do YouTube and help people, and so it's really exciting, and I love helping you guys and talking to you guys and giving you guys advice. I know I'm probably not like the the best editor in the world, but I really do feel like I have some knowledge to share. And yeah, thank you so much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.